Sometimes, space can be hard to come by, which is where the MXV family comes into play. Designed as a slim and elegant V-shaped solution, MXV products are not only aesthetically pleasing, but offer a wealth of features. With full tilt and turn capability and a rotational control built right into the base, you have full control over your range of motion. So you don't have to worry about accidentally bumping into a neighboring wall, a glass partition, or even an unsuspecting coworker. Desk real estate is at a premium these days, so move that CPU off the work surface with a mini PC mount. And with the rise of the tablet as the ultimate companion piece, you can add a lockable tablet mount to have all the options right at your fingertips. I love how light and nimble MXV arms are. They can be placed practically anywhere. Maybe you don't want to make a lot of uncomfortable eye contact with your coworker across the way. The C-clamp lets you move your setup wherever you need to on the work surface to help you stay focused. There's also wall-mounted configurations if you really want to elevate your game while also saving a little space. With a sleek profile, modern look, and clean cable management system, the MXV family is the perfect blend of style and function.